I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a transaction on your Discover card, follow these steps to make the process smoother. Step 1. Gather your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your Discover account online or through the mobile app. Navigate to the section for transactions to find the one you want to dispute. Step 3. Select the transaction. Locate the specific transaction you wish to dispute and click on it to view more details. Look for an option that says Dispute or Report a Problem. Step 4. Complete the dispute form. Fill out the dispute form with the required information. Be clear and concise about why you're disputing the charge. Double check for any errors before submitting. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your dispute, monitor your email or account for updates from Discover. They may reach out for additional information or to inform you of the outcome. Remember, if you don't see the dispute option, you might need to call customer service directly. They can guide you through the process. Good luck, and I hope this helps you resolve your issue.